Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're taking a close look at a beauty staple that promises to elevate your eye makeup game, the Revlon ColorStay Pencil Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade 202 Black Brown. This eyeliner has been a cult favorite for years, but with its updated waterproof formula, does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Revlon ColorStay Pencil Waterproof Eyeliner is designed to provide up to 24 hours of smudge-proof, bold color. Whether you're heading to work or out for an evening, this eyeliner promises to stay put, resisting the wear and tear of daily life. It also comes with a built-in sharpener, which is a great touch for keeping your liner as precise as possible throughout the day. The formula is creamy and smooth, making it easy to apply, while the built-in smudger lets you blend out the color for a softer, smoky look when you want it. I've had the chance to test this product in various real-life scenarios, and here's what I found. First off, the application is super smooth. It glides on without tugging at the delicate skin around the eyes, and the creamy texture makes it easy to build up the color for both defined lines and more dramatic looks like winged eyeliner. The built-in sharpener is a fantastic addition. It's always frustrating when you can't get a precise line because your pencil isn't sharp enough, but with this, it's not a problem. What impressed me the most is how long this eyeliner actually stays put. I wore it through a full day of work, and not once did I have to touch it up. The formula really does hold up to its claims of being waterproof and smudge-proof. I even went through a light workout and noticed that it didn't budge at all. However, be careful when you're removing it. It does require a good makeup remover, as it's not going anywhere without a bit of effort. On the flip side, while I love the long wear and waterproof formula, I did notice that the eyeliner doesn't layer as well for more intense, bold looks. If you're looking to build up a more dramatic, thick line, you might need to go over it a couple of times. But for everyday wear and subtle definition, it performs beautifully. In terms of value for money, I think this eyeliner is a great option. It's not the cheapest on the market, but considering its long-lasting wear, the built-in sharpener, and the quality of the product, it's definitely a worthy investment. Plus, with 8 intense shades available, it caters to a range of preferences for different looks. Comparing this eyeliner to others on the market, there are certainly options that might offer more intense color payoff in one swipe, or a more gel-like texture for those who prefer a smoother glide. However, for the price and the fact that it provides long-lasting waterproof wear, I'd say it stands strong in its category. As for build quality, the packaging is simple but sturdy. The pencil itself feels solid in your hand, and the sharpener feature is conveniently integrated. It's the kind of design that makes it easy to travel with, as you don't have to worry about carrying a separate sharpener. To wrap things up, the Revlon ColorStay Pencil Waterproof Eyeliner is definitely a reliable choice for anyone looking for a long-lasting, smudge-proof eyeliner that can handle both casual and more defined looks. It's ideal for those who need a dependable eyeliner that stays in place throughout the day. And it's especially great for anyone who loves a softer, smoky look with the built-in smudger. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link to purchase this eyeliner in the comments or description box below. If you've tried it, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.